Hi everybody, it's Diana from Youth Services at Mason County Libraries here at the 970 West studio. I am here to talk to you today about a fun activity that you could try at home with your kids, making stickers. This idea came from WikiHow, and I am trying method number 2. We will include all the directions for that, but I wanted to demonstrate how simple it is to make stickers at home. So here are the things that you need. You need some printed out materials, images or text. I like nature, so I did a lot of different animals and some fun things like beaker and chameleons. Here's a cool picture of King Tut. So anyways, those are the kind of things that I like for stickers, but you can do whatever you want. Images, text, anything from magazines, newspapers, things that you print off at home, whatever you think would be fun to make as a sticker. You also need some packing tape, some heavy-duty tape. You need scissors, of course. You'll need a little coin, maybe like a penny or a nickel, something that you can rub with. And then a warm bowl of water. And then since we have water, I thought it would be good to have just a little rag in case we make a little spill. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so I wanted to make a sticker out of this little United States image holding a map, which I thought was kind of funny. So I'm going to cut around it and I'm going to make it basically the shape that I want, okay? So we'll do that real quickly here. All right, that looks good. And then all we do is we take our packing tape and we're going to just cover it up. All right, so there we go. Now, if your image is too big for one piece of tape, according to WikiHow, and I tried this myself too, you can use 2 pieces of tape and cover the image like with this flower here. And you want to make sure that you cover the edge just slightly. It looks like we're going to need to use 3 pieces of tape to do this. So we'll do one more here. Okay, so that looks good. But now, getting back to my US state sticker. Okay, so now we have it with the packing tape on top, and now we're gonna take our coin that I said we'd be using to rub with, and we're gonna just simply cover the top part of the image. Okay, so we're gonna go back and forth, and it says it recommends to do this just for a few minutes. Okay, so we're just gonna make sure that the ink binds with the adhesive on that tape. And you wanna make sure that you do that really well, all the different corners, all the surface, because when we go to the next step, we're gonna put it in the water and the paper will dissolve away. And the thing that's left is the ink. And so that's how we have a sticker. And by the way, here are some fun stickers that I have already made, so you can see how it actually works pretty well with the ink. Okay, so now we are going to get to our warm water. So we're just going to simply submerge this into the warm water and we're going to let it soak for a few minutes. And sometimes the paper just falls right off, but if it doesn't, then you just have to peel off the paper on the back. Okay, so now that our sticker has been soaking for a few minutes, we're gonna check on this and see if we're ready to peel off back. All right, yes, so we're able to take this off pretty easily. You can see how we just kind of peel off all this paper, and you'll notice that we're left with the ink, which is pretty cool. I never thought that this would work. All right, so we're gonna just take off all this peeling here. And then, okay, and now we're gonna set it aside and let it dry just for a few minutes. All right, so now our sticker is dry and you can see that the ink was actually coming out pretty well. That's pretty cool. So now what we're gonna do, let's move this water out of the way. Now we are going to cut around the sticker. You want to make sure that you leave some of the tape of course, so that it can stick on the thing that you want to decorate. But you know, you can make it a nice shape and make it how you want it to be. All right, so that looks pretty good. And then I'm gonna just put it on my sticker page because this is my collection of stickers that I've made. So just stick it right on there, and there we go. We have some fun stickers that you can make at home, and I encourage you, if you're interested, to do as many stickers as you would like. So stay tuned for more ideas of fun things that you can do at home with your kids. Be sure to check us out on our website, MesaCountyLibraries.org. We have a kids page full of different materials that you can download, ebooks, audiobooks, you can stream movies, there's games on there. Also, there is an educational platform called ABC Mouse that your child can just kind of reinforce some of those skills that they're doing at school. So I hope you're having a great day, and thanks so much for watching.